Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Let's Slice Data with Saurav. So today I'm here to discuss the new topic that is called Chat GPT. It's a pretty new thing and open AI thing, basically, open artificial intelligence, which will help you to do a lot of things. What exactly you can do with that, I will show you in this video. And Chat GPT, now, it's a new buzzword and it is in the market right now. If you are working in IT industry, you have to know about Chat GPT. And Chat GPT will help you to make your work more simpler, basically. How to use it, where to go, what to do. What is GPT, first of all? Means, like, a lot of developers are there and behind, and they are just creating some few things for you, so that you don't have to apply, you don't have to do a lot of Google. And if you are not a programmer, you can utilize this Chat GPT to do new things, to learn new things, to write several codes, and Python codes, R Studio codes, whatever you want. You can just create an account in OpenAI, and you can play with that. You don't have to learn, okay, how the indentation will work in Python, where the inverted comma will come, where you have to close the bracket, what kind of code you have to write. It will give you a ready-made code. You have to just copy that and paste it in the Jupyter notebook and run it. Simple. You might have to give the input file, output file, that all still you have to give, but it will help you. Let's say you are working on a linear regression problem or logistic regression problem or SVM or anything. You don't have to worry about the code. You don't have to go to the Stack Overflow and search for simpler codes, that okay, how can I start working on that. So this is the must thing, and this is free, basically. So I believe, like, everyone who is working in IT industry, in the coding network, or in a coding, in a programming thing, he must know about it. So let me share my screen, and okay, I will share my screen. Let me know if my, okay, now I think you can see my screen. So today we will discuss about this Chat GPT. Chat GPT, chat means chat. You can chat with that generative pre-trained transformer. So there are few developers who are sitting in the back end. They are doing it for you. They will generate pre-trained transformers for you. So whatever you will ask, they will give you every answer. And they will give you the codes also. You can talk anything, means, like, whether it is R Studio, Python, whatever code you want, you have to just sit there and you have to do that. So what is especially Chat GPT? Chat GPT is highly popular AI-based program. This is the Google language, Google definition, which I took it from there. But you have to know what is GPT. I have already informed you that it is a pre-trained transformers for you. Chat GPT is highly popular AI-based program. AI means artificial intelligence, that people use for generating dialogues. The chatbot has a language-based model that a developer fine-tunes for human interaction in the conversational manner. Whatever you will ask, it will give you the answer. Okay, it's a simulated chatbot primarily designed for customer service. So that customer will ask, okay, which product I want, what product I want. It will help in everything. So, but we have to see it in our way, that, okay, we can write the codes by using it. I will show you some examples, then you can understand for it. People use it for various other purposes. So this is the great thing. Everyone should know about it. And you have to create an account. It's a free account. Is ChatGPT is free? Yes. As it currently stands, you can use the ChatGPT chatbot for free straight from OpenAI website. OpenAI, Open Artificial Intelligence, has stated that ChatGPT, in its feedback stage, the company's strategy is probably to make this service free to get as many as people to use their bot. So they have created a bot and they want us to use it. So we as a developer, we as a programmer, we as a manager who do not know coding, means, like, I don't know coding. So what should I do? I will go there and I will type whatever I want, and it will give me the code. Other than that, there are so many usage of that particular Chat GPT, which we will see here in this video. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to the openai.com website here. I hope my screen is up. Then you have to go to the login here. So I have already created my login using my Gmail. You can also use that, your Gmail account, and create your login here. Once you create a login here in the openai.com, it will take you to the another screen, something like this. So this is very important, guys. You have to understand what all you want from this particular, website. I will show you how it is going to help me and the people like me who know coding, but might be there is sometimes when they write code, there is some indentation error. There is some, they have to apply the SVM process, or they have to apply the random forest. So might be they do not know the code of everything. So if they can create an account here, and then they can go to the playground. So this playground will take them to this particular thing. And I will say, try it now. So this page basically will going to help you to do your coding. Whatever you want to give, means you have to just give the language. If you know the English language and you can type properly, you will get all the codes. So let's start. I will say, I need a Python code for table of 4. It's just a testing purpose. I'm writing that, okay, let it work on that. See, here is some Python code that will print out the multiplication for the number of 4. For I in range 1, 11, print f into 4 into I, that is 4 into I. This code uses a for loop to iterate from 1 to 10 inclusive. On each iteration, it calculates the product of 4 and loop variables prints it out. The output code will be like this. Okay. So what you can do, you can just copy this particular code from here and paste it in your Jupyter notebook. Instead of 4, you can write anything, whatever you want to write. For I in range, you don't have to worry for, and then indentation here, print, which kind of bracket you want, what kind of brackets you want. You just write here that, okay, I want the table of 4, and it will give it to you. Okay, let's say I want RStudio code for table of 3. Let's see what it will give. It's a superb thing, I'm telling you. Means like, you don't have to worry about anything. You just give whatever random chat you want to give it to it, and it will give you the result in this way. This is the code basically. For I in 1 to 10, print paste 3 into star I and 3 into I. And this will be the results. Done. Coding is done on this tool. It is very easy. I'm telling you, if you can just try these things in the chat.openai.com/chat. Simple. I've shown you the steps where you have to go. You have to create an account using Gmail. It's totally free. You have to just do that. Okay, these are the very simple things I have done. Now I will write extract data from PDF file using Python code. So I want the libraries. I do not know which libraries can extract data from the PDF. So it is telling me this is the popular library called PyPDF2. If you can just apply this particular code on your given file, your job is done. You don't have to worry about that, okay, what libraries I have to use and everything. Definitely, this will give you the base at least, which you do not know. When I was learning coding, that was very tough for me because I was not from the coding background and I learned it very hard. But this will make very easy things for you. See, it is not only telling the one code, it is telling several codes. So you can use some other libraries as well. Instead of PyPDF, you can use Tabula PY as well. So it is telling you the different codes and different libraries. And this is the copy code option from here. You can copy it and paste it in that Jupyter notebook. And instead of this, you can give the correct path of the PDF. and give the name as file, and then it will create a code out of that. It will generate these things for you. Okay, let's say I want logistic regression code, or I can say logistic regression Python code. So logistic regression Python code. Let's see what it will give. Might be I'm something wrong or something right. Scikit-learn library, it is telling if you can use the scikit-learn library, you can you do not have to write anything, import from this, that, data, X, Y, whatever you want to give, you can give it here. Means you can utilize this particular code, the base is ready, and then see, it is creating a logistic regression for me. It will give me the clear-cut, logistic regression thing into this particular code. Means I don't have to do anything. It will write everything for me, and even the accuracy it is giving me. Okay. So this kind of chatbot will help you to learn anything from anywhere in the world. But I am, focusing on the coding part. Why? Because most of us are working in the IT industry and we are afraid of doing some, coding thing. Grid search, what is grid search? Everything it will tell. Let's say I will ask precision formula Python. Let's see what it will give. What is precision? So first of all, it will tell us what is precision. Precision is a metric used to evaluate the performance of a classification model. It is defined as the number of true positive prediction divided by the total number of true positive and the false positive prediction. In other words, it measures the proportion of the correct positive predictions out of all positive predictions made by the model. This is the formula, how you are going to calculate it. It will tell you everything here. Simple. True, why true and why pred. Division, it will give you the correct answer. What is that? What is that? Everything it will give you here. Okay. Great. What is F1 score, precision, recall, basic coding. You don't have to worry about. See, all the codes are like labeled as well. Means like the commented code is here. So you can copy this particular code and utilize that in your Jupyter notebook straight away. You don't have to think twice that, okay, how can I'm going to do that? So if you open chat.openai.com, if you can create an account and utilize this, playground thing, and you can just write anything here, it will give you. Let's try something else. I will write Panipat War. Let's see what it will give. I'm asking anything from him, and it will give me anything, anywhere from the world. It is taking some time. So it is a chat GPT, guys. You can download it, start working on that, create any kind of code on that. See, history, it is not giving anything. So for coding thing, I'm telling you, it is great. It is genius. You can just try that. See, Panipat War, I have asked. It was telling me Panipat was major battle fought between 1526, Hemu, and Prime Minister of Delhi Sultanate. Means like it is telling anything, whatever you want. You are preparing for civil services, you are preparing for coding, you are preparing for anything. You just write anything and it will give you the results. So this chat GPT is great. Okay, one more thing I will say, SVM code Python. See whether it will give or not. I think everybody knows like support vector machine is a Python code. So just give it to that. And it is creating here. SVM code. What is support vector machine? Are a powerful machine learning algorithm that used for classification and regression tasks. Example, you can implement a SVM classifier in Python using the scikit-learn library. So what is scikit-learn library? How SVM is using that? Means like you don't have to worry about. If you know a bit of coding, just try to understand how they are splitting the data into test and train. What is the test size is 20%, and random state is 42, you can give anything, and then it will apply the SVM formula and give you the result. You have to just give the input for library, output library, and whatever you want to give by using this particular thing. So this is great thing, guys. You have to do that. You have to download it, learn about it, and enjoy your life. Don't worry a lot. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, guys, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye, everyone.